Hey guys, this is Paul from Black Edge Trading. Doing a quick video on CPI numbers today. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Go follow us on Instagram at Black Edge Trading. And then join our Discord where we trade in every day. A lot of money made in here. We post a pre-market. We share our screens. We talk you through trades. You can follow right along with us. Check us out. All right, let's get to the information. Oh, did we mess up? 1 second. Here we go. All right, let's get to the information. Let's get to the information. Sorry about that. So, July CPI report. What did we learn today? So we learned that the CPI numbers came in less than expected. It was expected 3.3%, but it came in at 3.2%. So that was good news and bad news. It was less than expected. Was the good news. The bad news is it was 0.2% higher than the previous July. And also, last month was 3%. So that means that inflation is going back up now. Another thing that we saw today with the inflation numbers was that core inflation was at 4.7%, which is still higher than a 2% goal that the Fed has. So they're going to continue to keep rates where they are or possibly raise rates in order to fight inflation. One thing I did see today is that oil prices were up 25% just this month. So that means that's going to be like a major inflation driver right there, because if oil prices are up, nothing can really move around the country without oil. So that means it's going to end up falling to the consumer somehow, because, you know, a lot of oil-based products, and then shipping costs. So that's going to move to consumer. What else do we need to look at? You can see the chart right here, how inflation was coming down, and now we're starting to tick back up. I believe it's going to continue to tick back up. There's a lot of bank failures that I talked about in the last video. The downgrade of the U.S. Treasury bills is one thing we need to look at, and their long-term debt. That's going to make the Fed have to pay more of a premium on their Treasury notes, since it's deemed more risky. Next, let's look at. Let's get out of here, and let's look back at. I wanted to go over a couple charts. Check out the S&P 500 futures index. Let's see what we got going on. So this year we returned 21.13% from January till the end of July. On average, the S&P 500 returns about 8.7% on average. So that's something we need to take a look at. Is the market overbought right now? I know the tech sector is definitely overbought. I've been seeing this for weeks now. If you look at NVIDIA, it returns about 61% a year. That would be right here at this level. We returned 242% this year in just 7 months. Like, crazy valuations going on right now. We've had a slight pullback, but nothing major. I believe we need to move lower into this 300, 317 range down here. I believe if interest rates stay where they are, they continue to rise, we'll definitely see this by year end or the first quarter of 2024. Let's see. Let's look at Apple. I know a lot of people on Apple. Apple's in a downtrend right now. If Apple can't reclaim 180, the S&P 500 is going to have a very hard time continuing to move higher. So this is definitely something we want to watch. Again, Apple returned 56.8% this year at its highs from January. In just 7 months, yearly average, it averages about 32%. And that would be right here around the 165 range. So we've had a decent pullback, but I would definitely watch this range right here, one between 165 and 170 would probably be a good range to maybe pick up some Apple shares. We may can get a turnaround. Microsoft is similar to all the other tech companies. It's having a sell-off right now. But these are just companies we want to look at, take a look at and watch. I'll do another video and talk about some other tech companies. But what are your thoughts on the overall market? Do you have any questions about it? What's going on? You guys understand what's going on? Hit me in the comments. But anyway, thank you for your time. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And please share this video. Maybe it'll help somebody see where we are in the market right now and let them, make some decisions about what they need to do. But anyway, thanks for your time. Peace.